Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. Thank you for clicking this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy breakfast. This is going to be avocado sandwich. So this is basically avocado with cucumbers, eggs and mayo mixed together and then grilled using a sandwich maker. This is a perfect, powerful breakfast to eat during the stay-at-home period, and it's very easy to make. You can also pack it for your kids' school lunch, and it's a very versatile breakfast. So sit back and let's start with a list of ingredients.